So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just really came on here today and I didn't know what I was going to do, and I just started filming. And I really like how my look came out today. I went back to one of my old loves, like MAC Cosmetics Flat Out Fabulous lipsticks. And when this first came out, I was so not first came out, when I first purchased it, I was so in love with this shade, and I really grabbed for this shade now. And this is how the MAC lipsticks comes, like in the bullet and stuff like that. And it was $16 when I bought it, but I haven't bought a MAC lipstick in so long, so I don't even know how much MAC lipsticks cost. It's a retro matte. To me, it's not really long lasting, just like any lipstick bullets. Like once you start eating and drinking, it's going to come off. You got to reapply, but I really like this. I first went in with my lip liner, magenta, and I lined my lips, and then after that I thought about, let me try to do an ombre, and I went in with my Night Moth. So this is the first lip liner I went in with. And then after I blend that all out, you will see me going in with this one. Sorry about the swatches. So I really like how the look came out, guys, and I hope you like the tutorial too. If you like it, please subscribe to the channel. Let me know how you like how this look came out. What's your favorite MAC lipstick too? So I'll see you soon on my next video, guys. So hey guys, I'm moisturizing my face here with the Bobbi Brown facial lotion, going in and priming my face with Smashbox primer, and setting it a little bit with a translucent setting powder just to help me fight off oil a little bit. Going in with these two foundations here. My Kat Von D is really like my summer shade. It's really red, and I mixed it with the Fenty Beauty in 400, and the Fenty Beauty in 400 is a little bit more yellow, so I figure it'll work well with each other. But I still really came out tanned and a little red, and I like to be more yellow. So I like the coverage that it gave me. It's really full coverage and I like it. I love both foundations. Just one is my winter shade, one is my summer, and I just tried mixing, and as you can see, I'm really tanned. But we're going to keep on going and see how this works out. We're going to go in and we're going to conceal. We're using the Makeup Revolution. I want to say it's in 213. Oh my God. I don't know if it's 213 or 113. God, give me the glory. So we're going to blend this out with a wet beauty blender. We're just highlighting all the spots that we want to highlight and conceal. And then after I blend out my concealer, I just went back over my whole face with the wet beauty blender. And now we're going to contour, and we're going to use our Fenty Beauty Espresso Matchstick and my favorite fan brush to blend out my contour, my NYX brush. And we're just going to blend that out. I'm blending out my nose contour. Please pray for my nose contour. I cannot get this nose right. And now we're just going to set all the places we concealed with the translucent setting powder. And we're just pressing this into the skin at first. We're pressing it into the skin. We're going to go in. We're going to set our contour with Shea Moisture Mandalay Dust. And we're just going to apply that to all the places we applied our contour shade, as well as our nose. We're going to set that too. Please pray for my nose contour. Oh. So now we're just going in with a clean brush, and we're getting rid of all the excess translucent setting powder. We're wiping away all the extra powder. We're going in and we're setting our eyelids with the concealer that we had on it. And then we're going to go in and we're going to clean up our brows a little bit. I'm using my NYX Espresso pencil. And I just like to outline my brows. My brows are really terrible. I really need to get my eyebrows waxed. And I like to outline them, then do hair-like strokes. And that's about it. And then I go over it with my Sephora brow gel in clear, just to set it. And then I went back over my foundation with my wet beauty blender. I'm going in with the orangey red shade. It's like, no, a burnt orangey shade. And I'm applying that to my crease as my transition color. And we're just going to apply that sloppily. And we're just going to apply it to the crease. And maybe just whatever's left on the brush go above the crease a little bit. We're going in with a brown shade. Any brownie shade to do, and I just want to deepen up my crease a little bit. This is a cool brown shade, and we're just going right on top of that transition color, and we're going in windshield wiper motions, and we're just going to apply that sloppily just all over the crease and just blend that in. So now we're going in with a clean blending brush, and we're just cleaning up them edges, and we're just going to blend that out some more. We're going in with a gold shade, any gold shade to do. I'm going in with Pat Motions and applying it all over my mobile lid. And I'm just going in with Pat Motions. And then I'm going in with a smaller blending brush with some of that brown shade on it. And I'm just going to like deepen up, define my crease a little bit more because I think it got lost with the gold shade. I'm going in for my inner corner highlight and using a gold shade. And then I'm shading out my bottom lash line with the shades that I use for my crease color, the burnt orange and the brown. I'm going in with a new mascara, y'all. It's a Maybelline mascara, Lash Blash. I don't know. It's in black. I got it from CVS. I'm just so excited to have a new mascara. And I really like this mascara. It gave me a lot of length. So I'm going in with new lashes, y'all. Lily Lashes. I have Goddess 3D lashes on. I'm going in with my Becca Songbird blush. And I'm going in with the Sun Dip palette from Anastasia and just mixing two colors together to highlight my face, my forehead, nose, cheek, my brow bone, just to be glowy as fuck. Because I want to be glowing. I want to be glowing from within. So then we're going in with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in dark. And we're just going to blend everything together. We're setting our whole face with this Mineralized Skin Finish. Then next we're going to line our lips with MAC Magenta Lip Pencil. Going in with Flat Out Fabulous lipstick is a Retro MAC. Blending it in with a lip brush just to make sure everything is all married together. And then I wanted to deepen it up a little bit, so I went in with MAC Night Moth. And I just outlined my lips, and then I blended everything together. And guys, this is the finished look, guys. I hope you guys like the tutorial. I really like this color. I haven't worn this color in so long, but when I seen it tonight, I was like, Liz, you gotta grab this motherfucking color, put it on, make it work. Please like, comment, subscribe, become a part of the family. And guys, I'll see you next time. Have a good night.